Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to trade meme coin. Only for meme coin, it's going to give you at least minimum of 2S. This particular meme coin, I've been trading this meme coin for since the past 3 AM currently, and luckily for me, the meme coin has been going so well. I'm going to teach you guys how I found this particular meme coin and I was able to trade this particular meme coin. I'm still holding position for this, and I take profit as the coin goes up. So to trade this coin is very easy. I go over to the screen. All I need to do is very simple. Let's me refresh this. Okay, on this screen now, this is what I'm going to do. Simply, first thing first, I'm going to put this on trending 1 hour because I'm looking for the coin that are currently trending that people are actually buying currently. Then I'm going to go to these filters. I'm going to click on these filters. Click all platforms. Click Solana. I'm going to click on save. This is why I'm doing this because I want to trade meme coins that is just listed on Solana. Yet, so what the next thing you need to do is you need to toggle this particular button. I need meme coins that has the most volume currently. Like in the past 1 hour, that's the most volume in the past 1 hour, and market cap is low. Yeah, that's what I would trade. And this is the particular coin. This is what I'm currently trading. I'm currently trading now. It has more volume, which means that people are actually trading the token. You can see if you check at this place, you can see transactions come in. The people are actually trading this particular token. You need to put it in the 5 minutes to see if they are active trades. So I'm going to open up new coins to see if there's any other one that I might like to trade. Okay, let me check this GPT. Open up this in a new tab and not open up this in a new tab. None, all the coins I've seen here, not all of them is going to do well. Some might do well, while some might not yet. So there are other things that you're going to look at for yet. You don't need to trade all of them. You don't need to trade one. For this particular one, I'll be trading this particular one since past 3 AM. You get, I've made money from it. Earlier, the coin was trading between this particular video. This is 5 minutes time. If I put it in how many time frame, then you're going to see the pattern very well. So this was what was happening before. Once the coin get to 200k market cap, people will sell, the coin will dump, and when you get to this particular market cap, let's say 100k, 120, people will buy. When you get to 20k market cap, people will sell. So this is what I was doing. Because when I observed this particular pattern, this is what I was doing. So anytime it gets to this, let's say 120 to 100k market cap, I will buy. And once it gets close to 20k market cap, I will sell. This is what I was doing. So I was making at least let's make it up to like let's say 94% profit. Or if I buy this particular line, I'll make it at least between 50% profit to 100% profit on my on the coins to get my money. So eventually now this particular coin is finally it broke. I was lucky though because I bought at this particular region before it went to about 20k market cap and I made 1% profit of this particular coin. So currently now, this is where the coin is ranging from. Let me put this in 5 minutes for you to see. So currently the coin is currently ranging from between, you see it very well in 1 minute time, between 300k market cap to 400k market cap. This way is currently ranging from right now, from 300k market cap, around 200 to 300k market cap. This way is currently ranging from. So if you want to buy, I'm going to buy when it dip to let's say 280, you get, and you sell when it gets to 480. So this is like how many percent profit? 33% profit. You do this 2 or 3 times, you have made more than 100%. You have made more than 2x from this particular token, you understand? Just like I will say, I don't recommend you buy this particular token because by the time you might get to see this video, this token might have dumped because all meme coin actually get to that epic. You might be surprised that this coin, the epic might be 500k market cap. When it gets to this epic, and that will be also I don't recommend you buy this particular coin. You get just learn and follow the strategy that I'm using. You get follow the strategy that I'm using. So I always put in 1 second because for me to see what the coin does. You get. So let's check this other one. Not okay. This particular one 5 minutes. 'Cause in 5 minutes, just 37 transactions. It's not a very good one because people are not really interested in it. You get. You want to trade coin that people are actively buying and selling, not the one that people are not actively buying and selling again. See 37 transactions. The people are not interested in this particular one, so I won't trade this. Let's check this other one out. Okay. 31 transactions. So this one, people are not actively buying and selling this particular one. Because if people are not actually buying and selling, it might be that the coin has gone into its apex, which is like 40k. People are not very interested in that the coin wants to that. But people are actively buying and selling it. It means that people are still interested in the coin. You can see that's where the coin is going down. Yeah, so that's why you need to trade coin. People are actually buying and selling. Let's check this GPT. Okay. Okay, this particular 52 transaction, this one is still much better than the others because 52 transaction, but these ones are not really very good. Get into the trading coin that people are actually buying and selling, not the ones that is just stagnant. So all of these ones that are open, none of them are good enough for me to trade. So you should not trade any of them. Just this one that I saw. So we might go back to Dexscreener and see if we can look for other coins. So let me put 5 minutes. Click on this 5 minutes to see. So there's going to be got more coins that are currently having more volumes in the past 5 minutes. So let's open up this one, a new tab. Let me close this once. Okay, this other one, Lumen. This one has variation now. And pop more. I don't know which one you want. Let's open up this. So you just want to ensure you trade the one that people are actively trade because those are the ones that are going to make you money. But the ones that are stagnant, they won't make you money. Understand? So guys, this particular one, which is called pump more. The last 5 minutes, 458 transactions. Yeah, this is actually very nice for you to trade because people actually buy and selling this particular one. So before you trade the coin, put it in full screen first and see where it has gone. You can see the highest that's going to is 200k market cap. When you go to this space, it's dumped to 80k and now it's really going up again. So for this particular one, just like I have said, in the coin is going to range between this particular place to this particular place. So this is actually a very good place for you to buy. And if you buy at this particular place, let me bring the price range to, and if it gets to this side, this 200k market cap, this is like 9% profit, which is actually very good. You understand? So, like I say, if I want to trade it on this coin, this video that I will trade. Why? Because currently it is 21 trendy. Last 5 minutes, over 270 transactions. People actively traded this particular coin. Get well, the others that people are not actually trading is not actually very good. This one you can see 5 minutes, just 10 transactions. This was a variation of this particular one. Get so this is the real one. Right, this is the fake one. So if you be trading anyone, okay, this is also a very good one. Lume, you can see the last 5 minutes, 165 transactions, which is actually very good. Get so and before okay the chart has not loaded. Before you trade the coin, ensure that you copy the wallet address, take it to TTF boot, and confirm that liquidity is actually locked and the top 10 orders are not holding more than 10%. Get okay, let's say liquidity, looks like the liquidity is 100% locked. The top 10 are holding 30%, which is still good. You understand? Okay, let me check the one I'm currently trading. Okay, 299k. For this particular one, I will take profit, but I believe it's going to get to I wanted to get a 400k market cap before I take profit again because I bought around 270k market cap. You can get to 400k market cap. I'm going to take profit from this particular coin. Get and the coin is number 8 on trending currently, so it's actually a very good one. So guys, this is how you can actually look for good meme coins. Let me recap. You come to this screener, click on 1 hour, you get then use either this button or this button, look for the currently trending meme coins and trade just the only meme coin that's currently trending that is people are actually buying. If you see that people are not actually buying the meme coin, run away from it, you get. So guys, this is it for this video. If you want helpful, please do to like, subscribe, and turn the bell icon. I'll see my next video. Peace out.